So, welcome back. The plan is, this end table is actually for myself. The more I think about the design, it just seems too simple, seems too plain. So I'm gonna go back to the drawing board slash this little thingy. This is what I came up with. Not this actual tile. Taking the tops and turning it into a hexagon. I don't know, it's a little bit smaller than I wanted it to be, but I like it. I've been doing a lot of welding. I want to get better at it. I feel like each project I'm learning, and I'm just gonna keep at it. But I'm getting good. Did I mention the fact and why I use the grinder to sanding off that finish? It makes it so much easier. Being able to run it through the plate.
Check it.
So, I'm done.
Check it.
Well, I made this, and it turned out cool. Number one, the wife likes it, so that means it's good. I think it's pretty cool. It's cute. For plants and table. Plant table, whatever you want to call it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And until next time, be BeeNeh.